Listen to this. Those eerie noises are the reverberations of solar wind, or the fast-moving particles that blow out from our sun. NASA's Parker Solar Probe captured the data, which was translated into sound. Solar wind originates from the sun's upper atmosphere and moves through the solar system at about 1 million miles per hour. What's strange is, as the wind leaves the sun, it speeds up due to a kind of internal heater that stops it from cooling. Researchers think plasma waves within the solar wind could be responsible, caused by changes in electric and magnetic fields that roll through charged particles in plasma. Particles could ride these plasma waves, creating higher speeds. Solar wind can interfere with GPS satellites and power grids, so it's important to better understand it. But if all goes to plan, the Parker Solar Probe will make another 21 orbits around the sun to provide more insight.